All right, guys, we are at DuPuis, and this is absolutely free. You are going to love this campground.
Relevant, relatable, and reliable information from full-time RVers.
To get to the campground area of DuPuis, you'll enter through Gate 3. This gate is locked 24/7, but you'll be provided the gate code with your reservation, also known as a special use permit. You're allowed to stay for up to 8 consecutive days, with no more than 30 total days per annum. The campgrounds are dog friendly. However, your dogs must be kept on leash, and you are allowed to have no more than 2 dogs. There are 2 camping areas, which are divided into equestrian and non-equestrian. If you wish to camp in the equestrian area, you are required to have a horse with you. As you enter the campgrounds, you'll notice a Y in the road. Equestrian use camping is to the left, and non-equestrian camping is to the right. The campgrounds are numbered. However, the on-site host informed us that you're not required to set up in the campsites and are free to set up almost anywhere you wish. Just be sure to display your reservation in the window of your rig, as the camp host will be checking. These campsites are on mostly level, grassy ground. Most campsites have a picnic table as well as an iron campfire ring. Unlike other Florida water management campsites, DuPuis has bathrooms with 110 outlets, showers with hot water, and several potable water stations to fill your freshwater tanks. You'll also find a dump site for your holding tanks as well as trash dumpsters on site. And if you're visiting with your horses, you'll find 2 covered barns and several grassy corral pens for your horses. DuPuis offers hiking, biking, and horse trails, picnicking, and stellar stargazing at night. This camping area is big rig friendly and has good Verizon and AT&T cell coverage. During our stay, which was late December, bugs were not an issue. Highway 76 does run in front of DuPuis, and the traffic can be heard. However, it was mostly unnoticeable. There is a small airfield in the area, and small aircraft can be heard during daytime hours. For free camping, DuPuis is simply tough to beat, and we highly recommend this campground. Remember, you'll have to obtain a special use permit to camp here. We've provided a link to obtain your permit on our blog site. If you like this video and are interested in finding more about free camping, check out the playlist here. And please consider subscribing to our channel for more relevant, reliable, and relatable RV information.